GFIs before and other videos. I got a weatherproof WR for outside, weatherproof cover. I'm going to be putting in. So sometimes you have to undo the screws because they're not out all the way. Screw it in with the screw gun first. You always go back on, like on GFIs and breakers and all, or receptacles, go back again with the screwdriver one more time. Sometimes the screwdriver don't tighten the screws all the way, and then wires fall out. Screw done. Screwdriver. Point turn straight. In. Stuck everywhere. Push that in. Put the screws in the hole. Now it's done.